Welcome to Shannon's Toy Box. Today, we found SpongeBob popsicles, and we're gonna open them up for you guys, and we're gonna try to find a perfect one like this.
Let's get a close-up of how he looks. How is he supposed to look like, Jaden?
Like this.
Do you guys think that looks the same?
No.
Okay, just set it down. Oh, or take a bite.
Right? I know this is. It looks the exact same.
It does, huh?
Look, it looks the exact same.
Let's see. Yep, they do.
Eat the eye. Alright. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. Alright, we only have two more. This is not going to be like this. No. They all look the exact same.
Let's see that one.
They all look the same.
Their smiles.
Look at the back of it.
Oh no. Their
Alright,
smiles
we have
are
one
weird.
more. Let's hope this is perfect. None of them look even nowhere near.
Are they good though?
Uh-huh. Holy
Oh.
crap, the eyeball. The eyeball just fell out. The eyeballs are gumballs.
Ooh, yummy. Let's hold up the SpongeBob popsicle next to the pitcher one more time and see how they're really supposed to look. So this is how it should look. I don't think they really look like that. They look like
They're
this.
all the same.
So stay tuned as we open more SpongeBob popsicles so we can see if we can find the perfect one for you guys.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.